Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. Today we're looking at euro dollar because of this movement here. I really like the movement that you can see over here where it has finally broken this key resistance level. All right, it's a little bit like a cup and handle kind of pattern, but with this level that is broken, it should give us enough momentum to play the next push up to next key resistance level, which is over here. Okay, so we are going to consider this as our entry. And in terms of the stop loss placement, you can put it slightly lower at where the previous key resistance turn support was, which is over here, the stop loss over here. What's nice is that is if you throw up the Ichimoku cloud, you can see that price has actually crossed above the Ichimoku cloud. I'm just going to remove some stuff so that it looks a little bit cleaner. Right, just going to plot the background at the back. You can see that, yeah, there's a nice little change in momentum, and so that gives us confidence to see prices make the push up from here all the way up to here. Okay, simple enough setup for today, but please exercise proper risk management and trade management to take on this trade. Right, we got a previous trade that worked out really well. It was a move from here to here, and now we're going to call for a further rise because of price closing very nicely over this nice overlap resistance term support at 1.0348. All right, that's it for me, guys. Stay safe, trade safe, and I'll catch you guys again tomorrow for more high probability trading setups.